Okay, so let's go ahead from where we stopped. We have actually shown you what I'm showing you here now with the cursor is the volume. In case you are on a project and the volume is too high, you can reduce it from that particular place, and that is a symbol of a camera. That icon there, you can capture a particular part or a particular place in a movie or in a video. Okay, let's try and capture this place. I'll just play this video. I'll stop it somewhere. Okay, let me stop it here. Then I will use that icon now. Once you go to your media, you will see the snapshot there. It means you can convert your video to pictures. You can extract certain pictures from your video. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm doing there. So let us capture this one too. Okay, you can see now that has been captured. So you can actually convert your video to pictures. So let's say you cover an event or something and they also need pictures. You can definitely extract pictures from them. And then the other one is the preview quality and display settings. So you can preview your quality there to see how sharp or whatever. But I think this monitor we have is okay. And so the screen, you can reduce the screen, make it on full now. You can reduce them to whatever size you want, but this is okay. I think this is moderate for what we are doing. Okay, so that's just it for those icons. I think now you can click on that particular place to have a full page. That's on your full computer. You can click on that arrow in, arrow out. It will bring you to this place. Okay, and once you want to go back, you click on the two arrow in. That's beneath the laptop. Okay, so that takes you there. Okay, so I'm bringing in. Alright, so that's it for it. Then on the timeline by the left hand side, you can see that icon there. There you can add a video track, you can add audio track, just like the other option you saw up. You can delete a selected track or delete empty track. It is still for the same purpose. Okay, so it's still for the same purpose. Now the other one is you can lock. If you don't want to move, you can see that's a padlock sign. So it has already shown you what that function is. Okay, so I can bring a clip in and show you what I mean. Like you have 2 or 3 clips on the timeline. Let's say you have 1 or 2 or 3 clips on the timeline. Remember, the one at the topmost is the one that your playhead is seeing. That is the one that will be displayed on the display unit there. And that's why you sometimes put them on screen. When you put them on screen, it looks somehow transparent. It makes the clip down show. But now that you can lock it, it means you cannot do anything with that clip once you lock it. That's the usefulness of that padlock there. Okay, you understand? That's the usefulness of that padlock there. I want to bring in an effect now. I want to bring in just one effect so that you can understand what I'm talking about. Alright, so you can see, if you look at it now, this effect, okay, that's the effect. Alright, so if a particular, let me look for an effect that, yes, you can easily see here. So this one now has changed the color of that picture. They are almost the same picture, the same videos, right? So but this effect is affecting the one at the topmost because that is what so if I lock that, it means I can only work with the one down. Whatever you want to do with that clip there, it's not going to do. Then look at this icon, this eye symbol is to hide a particular clip, is to hide a particular footage. So if I click on that now, what I am actually seeing is not the effect, is not the second clip, but the third one. Okay, but the third one, the effect is actually affecting the first clip, but the one down is what I'm seeing now. Because now let me hide the one down. Okay, you can see that the effect now is affecting the second clip because I've not hidden the second clip. Okay, so now I'm hiding the the two at the top. So we are looking at the clip down. You understand what I'm saying? So that's just what that particular icon is for. So when you want to lock, you use the padlock. When you want to hide, you use the second icon, which is the high icon. Okay, so let me remove that. So I want to bring in this clip to show you something. All right, so if you can double click on this clip. When you right click, most of these options that are shown are also here. You can cut, you can copy, you can delete, you can do reput delete, you can detach audio. You can detach audio from a particular clip. If you have a clip that have audio, you can detach it there. So most of those options are at the right hand side there. Okay, so let me look for maybe a clip that has audio. So I'll show you how you can detach. You can remove a audio from a particular clip. Maybe you just want to use another music background or something. Okay, I want to look for something that has okay, let me use this advert. All right. Okay, let's bring in this advert now. Okay, it's here. So I'm choosing the ratio. Now you can see this advert. It has an audio. Okay, this advert and audio. When you see a clip with audio, you see by the downside, you see this ash color layer. That is the audio. So I highlighted it, right click, and I clicked detach audio. You can see the audio has been detached from it. So when you click it and you press delete, or you right click and click delete, it removes it. Okay, so you can delete the audio and then put your own audio. Okay, so that is it for the audio stuff. All right, so I'm undoing it so that it can come back with the audio. All right, so and then I delete. So be used to this platform. It's very important. Be very used to the platform. Once you get yourself so used to the platform, in fact, it will be okay. So you can even download product. You can record here. You know, we should want to record in a media, in a file. Okay, so you can record there. You can record screen, you can record webcam, you can record even your face while you are working on FILMORA. Very, very powerful. Okay, very, very powerful software and easy to use. I've used this for videos. I've used it. I and my boss have used this for video clips for musicians. We have used it for home videos complete, not one, not two, not three, not many. So you have your transition, you have so many things you can do. All right, on it.